Hello, everyone. This is a short demo on microfinance presented by Fortune Infoserve. finRize is a cloud hosted banking solution which facilitates microfinance business activity. And today we're going to see a demo of that. So, finRize usually has three user roles. One is admin, second is maker, and third is checker. Admin is the one who sets all the scheme parameters and controls total administration of the business. And maker is the branch user who creates the entry, and checker is the one who authorizes. So we're gonna see one by one how these roles are gonna uh, do the activities in the software. So first, let's understand what is this admin. Okay, so now we're gonna log in as an admin, and we have for the in the interest of the time we have pre-configured the schemes and all those things, but just wanted to show you, like, if you add any new branch, just in that case you will have to go to the branch master, and you can see over here in the list there are already two. We have added HO, and we wanted to add one more branch. Then you can just name it as something microfinance, and this can be your branch one, or any name you wish to give, that you can give, and all of the rest information remains the same. And just okay, so you can decide one particular date and add the address and all the stuff, and then you can save it. Okay, so in the interest of the time we'll not do all this. If you wish, you can add this, and then we'll just log out as an admin, and then we will log in as a normal user. So we know user is like maker. Okay, so first let me log in as a maker, and you can see here as a maker, when I log in, the first step, the menu itself says that first anybody who associates with our financial institute microfinance, then first step is to create a customer ID. Then you go to these accounts, create the account, and then third you do a transaction, and the fourth is, if you want to view the reports, you can go to reports. So let's understand one by one. So first let's create a customer ID, and here are the information. Okay, in the interest of time we'll not be able to fill this form, but we have all this facility. You can directly save, you can add KYC informations, like you want to add some photographs, signatures and all those things, or any additional documents, you can add it over here, or simply you want to just save the information, you can just save the information. And once you create a customer ID, already have created certain customer IDs, and then you will go to accounts, and then here in accounts you're going to open a new, let's take example, if you open a new loan account. Okay, so in that case what you need to do is just select any schemes. You can have multiple schemes over here. Okay, just enter the customer ID, and then click on add. After this you need to enter the period. So once you enter the period, it will tell you the tenure and all the stuff. And if there is any guarantor, you can have guarantor over here. And if you have any recommendation from some directors or someone else, then that also you can mention over here. Else you can, okay, so you need to set the sanction limit. Now let's set it as 1 lakh, and then save this. And you can see here, this is the account which got created. This is the account, and then once the loan account is created, you just need to go to the disbursement and the transaction. You need to go here, and then you need to just enter the account number. or you can enter the name also, and disbursement mode, how you want it to be. You want to transfer it to the CASA account, which is current or savings account, or you want to do it a cash transactions. You can select it, and you can select the disbursement amount, and then you can just save this. Okay, so once you save this, this will go for authorization. So this is still not a valid transaction, and it is not a complete transaction till a checker authorizes it. So now let me log in as a checker. So now I've just logged in as a checker, and you can see here checker will have a menu called as authorization, and then he clicks on it. So he will get to know which voucher he has to authorize. He will just see this is the pending status voucher, which was just we created 1 lakh rupee disbursement, and he will, once he clicks on that, he will get to know what is the detail, and if he feels every information is right, then he will authorize, or he'll send back or reject. All three options are provided. So for this demo purpose, we'll authorize that, and you can see that voucher has been authorized successfully. So now once you authorize this voucher, I'll just log out, and we will log in as a maker, and here we have already created one account, and we will see what is his installment sorry, repayment instruction. So now let me enter the information. Okay, so I'll take this, and you can see here for this when I check what is my repayment schedule, then the system will tell you how much would be the service charge and how much would be the principal part and all those stuff, and he will see that when all he has to make the payment, and all the information is displayed over here. So this is just you can give a printout of this. All our reports are supported with, you can see, Excel, PDF and Word format, and you want to print also, you can print from here. So there's a direct print option also. You can directly print from here, and you can give a copy to the customer. And now let's go to the third step, that is we told you transactions. Now let's take example, a customer comes and tries to make a payment. Now here is an account we will take. Okay, so once you click on say account, and it will give you the information of all that. I have taken a previous one account wherein you can see here there is a period of 106 days, and out of 106 days 2 days have passed, and now he has to make a payment of 104. So system will automatically give you all the information over here. It can check it out. It tells you what is your installment amount, that is 1,000 rupees you need to pay on a daily basis, and here's a breakup of that. Of the 1,057 would go for your service charge, and then it will go for 943 will go for your principal, and then you can decide over here customer can pay 1,000 exactly amount. So in case if it is 1,000, so here you can see nothing is changed in principal and interest because it's 1,000. But for some reason, if customer is paying less amount, let's take a 500, then system is intelligent enough, it will calculate proportionately how much it has to take on a service charge and how much on the principal. It will automatically do the necessary changes. And next most important thing is if he makes an advance payment also, even that is being supported over here. You can check that, but for this demo purpose we will just take it as 1,000. Okay, and we will have to select what is the repayment mode. I'll select it as a cash, and that's it. So I'll just save this. As you can see, the voucher has been generated. Again, I will have to log out as this. Now the authorizing officer, whom we call as a checker, he will log in into the system, and he will go here in the authorization, and then you will see there's only one pending voucher. He will click on this action button, this I. Okay, he will get to see the details of all the transactions over here. And so once he's confirmed that every information is right, he'll just click on authorization. So once he authorizes, this effect has been taken place. So let's log out, and then let's log in as a maker, and let's see today's transaction in our cash book. I like to show you the cash book over here. And today's date, you can give a date range to the cash book also. That is also supported, so that you can see here that Ajay has paid 1,000, out of which 57 is our charges and all this stuff, and every information is being populated over here. So this is how we complete the loan disbursement and the installment repayment. All right. Okay. So you can see this today on 29th, we did one transaction. All right. So we saw that our daily collection installment amount is 1,000 and we have collected 1,000. So it's a regular amount. There is no advance payment or there is nothing due or short. Okay. So 100% collection is being done as on today for this particular customer. So this way you get an information of all the collections, what we do today. Right. And yeah, so this is how you get it, and then based on this you can see over here your balance sheet and profit and loss is also generated, as we have very limited entry into this data now. It may be very small information, but it's already there. Like, so this is how small information is available, that what all loan disbursement we did and how much is a balance and all those things. This is our balance sheet, and then you can open your profit and loss also on this, and then you can just click on this. So it will give you a profit and loss and all those stuff what we have received so far. So this is how we covered up a very short information on how a microfinance loan is dispersed and installment repayments are done, and how we can check the report part. So that's it, friends. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions or query, please contact us and we will be happy to answer that. So thank you.